Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python function that accepts a string and calculate the number of uppercase letters present in that particular string. So that is a problem statement. So you have to solve this using the Python function. So let's try to solve this. So let me define a function, that is function name. Let's take count underscore uppercase. So this is my function name, and let's pass the input string, that is input argument. So let's take data as my string type. Yeah, so once we are done defining the function, so let's take another variable, that is to store the count of uppercase letters. So let's take a count variable, and this is of type integer. So let's initialize it to 0. So now I'll take each and every letter present in the data and I'll perform a iteration. So let's take for loop to perform the iteration, that is for letter in data. So this is data. Yeah, so I'll be iterating all the letters present in the given string and check if the letter is uppercase. So in order to check the letter is in uppercase, so let's use that is comparison. If A is less than or equals to letter is less than or equals to capital Z. So this is a comparison that I'll be performing. So if the letter is between the range A to Z, so let's increment the counter, that is counter plus equals to 1. Yeah, so once the for loop completes, so let's return the count variable. Just use the return and count. Yeah, so this is a Python function that accepts a string and calculate the number of uppercase letters. So in the main program, so let's take another string variable, that is a text, and ask a user to enter a string. So I'll be using input function call, and let's say enter a string. Yeah, so once the user enters a string, so let's directly call this function. So immediately we'll be using print function. So we'll print directly by calling the function. So let's say that is the number of uppercase, that I'll be copying the string from here and pasting it here. And let's say is, and let's say colon, and give comma and call the function name, that is count underscore uppercase, and let's pass the input as a text, that is user has provided. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program that accepts a string and calculates the number of uppercases using the Python function. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter a string. So let me copy this, that is a Python function, and paste it over here. So you can see the number of uppercases is 2, that is P, and F is counts to 2. Closing it. So let me rerun it. And here let me copy this big string and paste it as input to the Python program. So you can see the number of uppercase letters is 13. So if you try to evaluate, that is count the number of uppercases, so it will be same as 13 over here. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to accept a string and calculate the number of uppercases letters using a Python function. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.